Hey, it's Paul Ingram with CollegeCenter.com. Today we're continuing our staff spinning technique tutorial series. We're going to be taking a look at technique number 4, which is a front spin. If you've missed the previous 3 staff spinning techniques in this series, you're in luck. I put them all together into one playlist for free here on YouTube. I have the link to that playlist down in the description below. I'll also put it up here and then also at the end of this video. So if you are just finding this series off of technique number 4, go ahead and practice this one, but I do highly suggest make sure to go back and watch the previous 3 lessons, because that's going to help you with the intermediate portion of today's training. If you're looking for a traditional rattan collie staff like the one I'm using in this video, you can visit my store over at CollegeCenter.com and purchase one today. If you want to continue your staff training and learn the collie fighting methods with the staff, check out my online school. You can join there also today over at CollegeCenter.com. I got the links all down below as well. Let's get started with staff spin number 4. Staff spin number 4. This is our front spin that looks just like this. Okay, let's break that down. It's actually a very, very easy spin. So, it just takes a day of practice and then you'll have it in a day or two for sure. So grab the staff with your right hand in the middle of the staff. It's better to be, for this spin, a little bit to the right than it is to the left. But just grab it in the middle of the staff and you're good to go. You're going to see that the palm is in the down position of my right hand. My left hand is going to go on top of my right hand in the palm up position. I'm going to be rotating the staff right now clockwise, my clockwise, right? So if you're kind of like this, it's going to be your clockwise, okay? So basically just rotate it to your right side. So I'm going to rotate it. Here's the mistake, okay? Because you might make this mistake in the beginning, so let's counter this right now. Identify the most common mistake for this spin, and then it'll all make sense and go together, and you'll pay better attention to your technique. So I'm going to rotate it, and then I'm going to catch, 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 catch. And you're going to see that I just worked my way to one side of the staff. Obviously that is not correct unless you wanted to do that. So how do we fix that and keep the spin going and stay in the center of the staff? We're going to skip it. We got to skip the staff once and then catch it in our left hand, release with the right hand, and then continue the spin. Make sure both palms are going to turn down. See how it skips my right hand, and then I'm going to catch it with my right hand. Release with the left. Both palms are going to move to the up position, skip it, and catch it. All right, so you have this little bit of a skip and catch type of rhythm going on here. And that is what's going to allow the staff to stay in the middle. Your hands to stay in the middle of the staff. Okay. All right, let me show you that again, a little bit closer. In our start position, left hand on top, palm up. Rotate, skip the staff, keep the rotation, and catch it with the left hand. Release with the right hand. Skip the staff, catch it with the right hand, release with the left hand. Okay? You're going to notice how the elbows kind of go out and in. Just start nice and slow. Okay? Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Start nice and slow, and then you can gradually pick up the speed as your coordination is dialing in and you're getting better. All right. And then you get to work in all the speed and see how fast that you want to challenge yourself to get the spin. Once you have the spin down, okay, that's the beginner version of today's training. Okay, you don't have to be super mega fast. Okay, the more that you practice this over time, over weeks, months, years, you'll get faster and faster at it. But let's go into the intermediate portion of today's training. Let's take a look at how do we go in and out of these different spins that we've worked so far up to this point. So we're going to start off with spin technique number 4, our front spin. When it's in my right hand, I'm going to turn to the right and I'm going to go into my number 1 spin, the downward figure 8. Just let that rotate a few times, get some revolutions. As it comes back around, skip and catch back into technique number 4. Okay. Now when in my left hand, I'm going to turn to the left and go into spin number 2, the upward figure 8. All right. Get some revolutions and let it come back to the middle and back into spin technique number 4. And just kind of work through this a little bit. Here we are. Downward figure 8, come back, go to the left hand, upward figure 8, and then back. Okay. Work that out because that's going to prep you for our next spinning lesson together, our 5th spinning technique. So as you notice that we're building. In our previous technique number 3, we actually worked the fundamentals of the transitions of spin technique number 4. So we're building on top of every single skill. That's why you're getting so good so dang fast, my friends. That's how we teach here at Kali Center. So if you like that type of teaching, then make sure to check out the online school or come train with me in person or any of our chapters, because then you're really gonna have a blast. All right, go get that staff in hand. Go master staff spin number 4. Let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up when you have this down and you're ready for the next staff spin technique of number 5. Make sure that if you just caught this staff spinning series on technique number 4, make sure to check out that playlist and go get the previous lessons of staff spins 1 through 3. Get caught up. And then I'll catch you back here next time for the next staff spin technique. And make sure to check out the other videos that I have here on the Kali Center channel for all the other Filipino martial arts stuff, for stick fighting, double sticks, knife, espada daga, empty hands, spear, the whole gamut. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you click that bell, and I'll see you guys back here for some more training. Get out there and go have fun.